Hey guys, Hans here, and I can't wait to get you killer Instagram ads. So just to be super straightforward, first off, you can run Instagram ads just like the ninja method that we have in the Facebook ads module. But the cool thing is with killer Instagram ads, you can actually do some things that are really specific just for Instagram. So on the phone, you're going to go to Clip-O-Matic, okay? And it's got a couple options here. We're gonna go full screen. And this one's going to be specifically for Instagram stories. So what we're going to do is it's gotta be quick for Instagram stories. And we're going to say, it's kind of like those headlines, those templates that we got with the headlines. Before you hire a wedding DJ, you must check out Nice Entertainment. Swipe up and get $200 off today. All right?
Before you hire a wedding DJ, you must check out Nice Entertainment. Swipe up and get $200 off today.
So we're gonna save that. And actually we're edit a little bit so it's not. There we go, we'll save that. All right, so it's saved. Done. Then we're gonna create another one. So it's just like split testing with the ninja method or anything else. We want to test. Like, I don't know which one's gonna work. So let's try another headline. Let's go to our headlines. Welcome to Atlanta's most on-demand wedding DJ. Swipe up to learn more now and get instantly $200 off if you book by the end of the month. Talk to you soon. All right, we're gonna save that. We're gonna do one more. Finally, a wedding DJ all brides in Atlanta have been waiting for. Swipe up to learn more and get $200 off today.
Finally, a wedding DJ all brides in Atlanta have been waiting for. Swipe up to learn more and get $200 off today.
So you want to edit down that last little bit here. And you got to edit this so it says all brads. So we're going to say all brides. So there's 3 different ones. Next, we're going to create a couple square videos. Okay? And it could be very similar. These are they're scrolling through and they stop and they see your face and you're just talking to them. You could even give 3 tips. This one can be a little longer because this isn't a story, it's on Instagram newsfeed, so it can be up to a minute, so it doesn't have to be as fast, right? Like the Instagram story is just super duper fast. It's like, swipe up. So this one can be a little bit more deep. You can think about common questions that you have and talk a little bit more about that, but you can use this app for that same thing. Let's do one right now. So one of the things I'm going to do is take some of the copy, some of the writing off of my homepage and just say it into the screen, into an Instagram ad. Okay, so, and you want to trigger brides and grooms in the first 2 or 3 seconds so they know who this ad's for. Okay. Hey, brides and grooms in Atlanta, you've spent so much time and energy and money on your food, your favors, your venue, but who are you going to leave the entertainment to? Which, by the way, 85% of guests say that entertainment and music was the most memorable part of a wedding. I would love to introduce you to Nice Entertainment. Click the button below and go to niceentertainment.com to learn more and to get instantly $200 off any package. I look forward to seeing you. Talk to you soon. Peace.
Hey, brides and grooms in Atlanta, you spend so much time and energy and money on your food, your favors, your venue, but who are you going to leave the entertainment to? Which, by the way, 85% of guests say that entertainment.
So we've got to edit a little bit of this. Brides and grooms in Atlanta, you spent so much time, energy on your favorite food. and your venue. But who are you going to leave the entertainment to? Question mark. Which, by the way, 85% of all guests say that entertainment and music was the most memorable part of the wedding. I'd love to introduce you to Nice Entertainment. Click the button below. Go to niceentertainment.com and learn more. Peace.
Hey, brides and grooms in Atlanta, you've spent so much time and energy and money on your food, your favors, your venue.
All right, so I'm going to transfer these over to my computer, then upload them up with some other images. So it's not just all videos. Also, I'm going to tie in some pictures on these Instagram stories and these Instagram feeds. But in the ad set level, I'm going to create just an ad set for only Instagram news feeds, and then another ad set for only Instagram stories. Check this out. All right, guys, so what we're going to do is actually create a retargeting campaign with these killer Instagram ads. They're going to be traffic ads, and this is retargeting for people that just went to our website last 7 days. So just for 7 days, we're going to send them over to, or actually we're going to pop up on their Instagram stories. Now these are just for Instagram stories. And if you don't have your audience set that is website visitors, what you do, it's pretty easy. You go to audiences here, or you can click down here and go to audiences, and create custom audience, website traffic, and this is just the last 7 days. We don't want to send it for 5 million people. Last 7 days. So we're going to create this audience. That's done, done, done. All right, go back over to the ads manager, retargeting campaign. And this is where it gets really specific for Instagram. We're going to go into edit. This is the ad set. I'm moving fast, but you can pause. It doesn't have to be a huge amount, just $7. This audience is going to be 7 days, last 7 days. We're going to just keep it to people in our location. So if somebody's, trolling me or something from Alaska, I'm not sending them ads. All right, edit placements. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. So you want to, for this one, uncheck Facebook, uncheck feed, uncheck everything except stories. All right, so see, it went gray there. It makes it so confusing, but it is definitely only for stories, and landing page views is good. We're going to do the bid cap 102. Exclude categories are changing. All right, so here we go. Now we're going to go to the ad itself, and we're going to throw on some of those videos that I shot on my phone. Upload videos. I got them in the downloads. Why is that not available? Let's see. Oh, because it's on image. We need to select video. So go into downloads. Let's just see what this one does.
Before you hire a wedding DJ, you must check out Nice Entertainment. Swipe up and get $200 off today.
All right, so that's one.
Welcome to Atlanta's most on-demand wedding DJ. Swipe up to learn more now and get instantly $200 off if you book by the end of the month. Talk to you soon.
Boom, that's another one.
Finally, a wedding DJ all brides in Atlanta have been waiting for. Swipe up to learn more and get $200 off today.
All right, cool. So we'll load these up. Instagram stories. And we're also going to make one with a picture too. So it's kind of like the Ninja method, but it's only for Instagram stories. Let's see what this one says. Before you hire. Okay. All right, we're going to duplicate. We're actually going to go ahead and create like 4 of them because 3 of them will be pictures or videos. We'll make one a picture too. All right, so the link field is required. Oh yeah, you need to make a link. Duh. So when they swipe up, they go somewhere. Here is the link. Definitely want to, what I usually do is just type it in so you get the actual, there's no way that you can misspell it or mistype it in. All right, we're going to change this video. This one's going to be this one. And let's see what this one's called. Welcome to Atlanta's. Even though I misspelled Atlanta's, it's okay. All right. So, make the third one here. Definitely need the domain. Website URL. Boom. All right, and then we're going to clear videos. We're going to upload the third one. And then we're going to put 2 that are text. And this is really cool because some of the stuff that you do in Instagram story, it doesn't make sense if you made a Facebook ad for that. So this way, this one is specifically for Instagram stories. And then we're going to make a couple specifically for Instagram newsfeed. And this one is finally a wedding DJ. All right, this was the original one. I just didn't have the URL in. And this one we're going to create an image. We're going to go clear videos, go to image, select the image. Stock. You can upload your own or you can use stock images. Like, why not? Use stock image and see what. Let's see what this looks like in a story. All right, we're going to put this. And edit stories background color. That's cool. It's a nice fade. And let's upload our own picture here and make it big. So we're going to go with image. Select image. I think this is a big image so I can crop it. Boom. Yeah. So if you get a really, really big image, you can crop it just like that. no words, just pics. That's fine. We're going to test it, and I think that it's going to say this when it's all said and done. But we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 Instagram story retargeting, and so this we're going to say website visitors. This just so we know. Insta story website visitors 7 days. All right, boom. There is the Instagram stories. Now we're going to create one or several for Instagram ads or Instagram feeds. All right, so we go into this retargeting campaign and we're going to duplicate the ad set to the original campaign. Nope. Existing campaign, retargeting. And you just want to do it once. So duplicate, and what we're going to do is change the Insta story to Insta feed. So we just rename it up top. Edit placements, and we're going to check that and uncheck that. So now a couple of these got weird because they're videos that are made for they're long videos, right? Like, so we've got to put the one on here that is clear videos, the one we just shot. Select video. So we made a square video with our little app. This one.
Hey, brides and grooms in Atlanta, you've spent so much time.
So it's a little bit longer of a video, so it took longer to upload. Remember, you can go up to a minute with an Instagram feed. And I like to crop these into a square. If it's a picture, it just takes up more room on the Instagram. You know what? We're going to double. We're going to double down on the video. We just created one video. I go to these headlines all the time. So see how XYZ is changing up the wedding industry. Throw that on there. See how Nice Entertainment is changing up the Atlanta wedding industry. It's always good to throw little emoticons on there, emojis. So we got the same video, but we've got a couple different words. So we've got one pic here that's your perfect wedding day soundtrack. We've got one video that says, before you hire your wedding DJ, visit niceentertainment.com. We've got one video All right, cool. So now we have Insta feed website visitors and Insta story website visitors. They're both getting stuff. You can actually do this with your normal audience. If you just did an engaged audience in Atlanta, you could run Instagram feed ads to them and Instagram story ads. Now that you know how to create these type of ads, and you don't have to download this app if you don't want to. It's just really working well right now. So there it is, killer Instagram ads and retargeting The 2-in-1, hey, be sure every time to go in and hit this blue button, review and publish. Always do that. Always review and publish. One thing that's super duper important is that you need to, since every single one of these images or the video has text over it, you need to select a thumbnail that does not have text. I repeat, select a thumbnail that does not have text on it. It's only going to be for a second. When they first land there, they'll see that, and then the video will start playing. But Facebook won't approve the message if there is words on the screen, like on the thumbnail. And since they just randomly chose a thumbnail, you see right here it says to introduce you to blah blah blah, they won't approve that. So you've got to go in and select a thumbnail. And again, it's only for a split second. When they scroll on it, then the actual video will come up with all the words.